Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your bank account to your Revolut account. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're in, tap on the transfers option at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on add money or new transfer at the top right corner. Choose your bank account as the source of funds. You can either select an existing bank account or add a new one. Enter your transfer amount, review the details, and tap Add Money or Proceed to confirm. Your money will then be transferred from your bank account to your Revolut balance, usually within minutes depending on your bank. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from your bank account to Revolut. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.